In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language for calling consent messages in HubSpot. If you're making outbound calls and using call recording, it's extremely important that your consent message is set to the correct language for your audience, whether you're working with international clients or expanding into new regions. Adjusting this setting only takes a minute once you know where to find it. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can update it quickly and confidently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot how-to guides. Now let's jump right in. First, we need to open your calling settings inside HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and heading to your main dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will take you into your main account settings area, where all configuration options are located. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find the Tools section. Under Tools, click on Call Setup. This is where all of your calling configuration options are managed, including recording, phone numbers, and consent settings. Take your time here if you don't immediately see it. Just scroll carefully and you'll find Call Setup listed in the menu. Once you're inside Call Setup, the next step is to go to the Call Recording and Consent section. At the top of the page, click on the Call Configurations tab. This tab controls how your calls behave, including whether recording is turned on and what message plays to inform contacts that the call may be recorded. If you don't see recording options right away, make sure you're inside the correct configuration profile, especially if your account has multiple calling setups. Now let's change the language for the consent message. Inside the Call Configurations area, first make sure the call recording is enabled. If recording is turned off, the consent message settings may not appear. Once recording is enabled, look for a drop-down labeled Consent Message Language or Recording Notice Language. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your HubSpot version, but it will clearly reference language selection for the recording notice. Click on that drop-down to open the list of available languages. You'll typically see options like English, Spanish, French, German, and possibly other supported languages depending on your account settings. Select the language that matches your audience work compliance requirements. After selecting your desired language, confirm the change if prompted. This ensures that when your team makes recorded calls, the automated consent message will play in the correct language for the person receiving the call. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. Scroll if necessary and click the Save button to apply the changes. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your updated language selection will not be applied. Once saved, your new consent message language will be active for all calls using that configuration. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language for your calling consent messages in HubSpot. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a big difference when communicating professionally and staying compliant across different regions. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.